Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to download and install Remitly app in your mobile phone. For this, if you are an Android user, you need to go to your Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you need to go to your App Store in order to download this application. So I'm using an iOS device. Here you can see App Store application. So I'm going to click on this and you can see the home button. At your right side at the bottom, you can see a search button. So you need to go and click on search and type for Remitly app. Here you can see Remitly money transfer and send. Click on this icon which will lead you to the main page, and here you can see a download button. So you need to click on this, which will help you to download this application in your phone. And it has a rating of 4.8 and has a criteria for the age users to be more than 4 years old. Remitly is a very simple app that helps you to transfer and send money through your own bank account using credit cards to different parts of the world. This is a safe application to use, and it is very easy. So our app is almost installed. Now you can click on the open icon here, which will lead you to the Remitly app, and now you're inside this app. So it will ask you to choose your preferred language. You can choose any language that you want. I'm going with English, and here you can see that you can create a new profile, or if you already have a profile, you can log in into it. So this is all about the app. Now you can make an account and enjoy using this application. Thank you.